Welcome to the first lesson in the Memory Jogger program for Lean Material Management. In this Memory Jogger, we will review the overall goals of a high-functioning material flow system as described by the 7 rights. The 7 rights of lean material management. This is a well-known concept known as the rights, or right things to do. The idea is also used in the healthcare arena, as in the 6 rights of medication administration. In this case, we've identified 7 right things to accomplish regarding material flow. So let's go through them one by one. The first right is the right part. A right part is not only the right part number, but also the right revision level. And by right, we mean that the part number is actually required and called out in the bill of material for that product. Next is the right container. Standardizing container sizes in order to reduce the need to recontainerize parts is a high priority. The right container is the container assigned for that part, and using any other type or size of container is not right. Next is the right sequence. Many material items are delivered in a specific order, aligned with the production lineup. And the right sequence is to maintain that correct order of delivery. The right location. An important part of the plan for every part analysis that we will discuss later in this Memory Jogger program involves the assignment of materials to the correct point of use. Delivering material to the wrong location will at best cause extra effort and at worst can shut down the line. The right quantity. From a lean perspective, the right quantity is the calculated or decided upon move quantity, and it's usually a small number. Delivering anything other than the predetermined quantity is considered not right. The right quantity also includes planned space for 2 or more containers of parts, and is therefore related to the right container and right time rights. So here is the right time. The timing of deliveries is also a part of the design of a material delivery system. Delivering too soon means occupying unplanned space and increasing the inventory on the floor. Delivering too late could potentially mean shutting down the line. Another meaning of right time refers to delivery routes, which are intended to run like a streetcar system to a fixed schedule. And finally, the right total cost. The main point of this right is that it is important to analyze the total cost of material management and not sub-optimize the system. Reducing material handlers, for example, may reduce the labor cost of material delivery, but increase shortages and inventory levels, increasing the total cost to the company. If you can get all 7 rights right, chances are great that you have a high-performing material delivery system. As a homework assignment, pick a small area of your manufacturing facility and conduct a self-assessment of your plant's level of maturity with the 7 rights. This concludes this Memory Jogger on the topic of the 7 rights of lean material management.